Our slogan is experts helping experts, and to do that, if we're to be the experts in the industry in what we do, how we upfit people's vehicles, we need to have the better mousetrap. And I think this is a great product for that. Our company, in service to our customers, is a product that is assembled not only quickly but in a quality fashion, so we never see it again, where they don't have to come back because of issues. You know, with this fixture and these racks, if we can put our quality touches on it at table height instead of above the van, that's a big thing for me. We can turn a project in about 40 to 50% of the time. For us was huge. That's what we were after. Order to delivery times affects bottom line. So that's how it has affected us the most. Our goal in adding this fixture to our facility was to have half the time of install. That was our goal, and I think we've gotten very close, if not exceeded. Having the time of each ladder rack install, it speeds up our stall time, which the quicker we can push a vehicle out of our facility is the quicker we can pull another one in. Number two, lowering the labor cost for our clients was another thing we can quote, lower labor costs to them. Right. And number three was meeting our clients' expectations or order to install expectations. So we wanted to shorten that space of time from order to install, and this is allowing us to do that.